Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make full face image watermark in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show make full face image watermark. Now, going to the view menu option, then click for a master page option. Now going to the insert option, then click for picture option. Now find your picture, then select from picture. Now for click, then click for insert option. Now you can see the full face watermark, then this is your face. Now apply the full face image watermark. Now you can see, then picture, going to the picture format option, setting option. Now click for picture option, then click for transparency from 50%. Now click for OK. That's it. Now you can see, then going to the close the master page option. That's it. Now you can see make full face image watermark in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.